Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're covering payment by results. Let's have a look what we've got. So we've got data going back to April 2011. This is all dimension data, so it's the codes and the prices and all that stuff and the descriptions. So you can see the list of tables we've got here. We've got various PbR ones. These ones are no longer being populated because they're the old format. And then we've got what's called PbR v2, which is the newer format. They had to be, as I've explained in the tutorial video, sometimes we have to do a new set of tables if the changes are too different that we can't actually carry on loading them into the same one. In this case, the thing that broke it was one of the years when the NHS was so late bringing the new prices out for a particular year that they allowed everyone to use the old prices from the previous year, and then partway through the year they brought out the new ones, and a lot of places wanted to use the new ones, but a lot of places wanted to stick to the old ones, so they had to have two versions of the prices, which I can't even imagine how that actually worked in reality. But it also, for our tables, it meant that we had to have an extra dimension column. And this PbR price relativities, which is a sort of one-off. So I've also just queried a few of the tables just so you can have a bit of a look, but you're going to need to get yourself a free trial to have a proper look. So A&E, that's pretty self-explanatory. So you've got the codes and the prices and so on, and you've got the year that belongs to here, this one here. And then there's the new format, so you'd be using this one here. So you can see the price, 11, 2012, 2013, 14, 15, so on. So that's that. Because it's not absolutely clear the year and the even which version of the year's data it belongs to, and there's lots of versions come out, the only way we could do this is to actually include the file name in the data set, so you can see absolutely where the data came from. So you've got that there. PbR Code To Group, you probably might recognise this from this file. So we've got all these sheets in there, and these ones are the, I suppose, the more complicated ones to get in. So that's all in there too. So just showing you here on the screen, you can see basically how it looks. And well, that's it really. You definitely need to get a free trial to play with this because it's quite complicated. Thanks.